Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Gemini. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, you can please give a like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. That may clear your doubts or answer the questions that you have in your situation, guys, Gemini. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. We have Ace of Wands in reverse, Seven of Swords, and Two of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. There are people who are quite jealous of you, envious. They want to grab your offers or opportunities. So they are trying to use you, use your talents and skills. Maybe for some of you, you are in a very precarious situation. Someone may try to rob your belongings or rob your opportunities. So you have to be really careful, guys, today. So when you are going to work or when you are traveling, you have to be really careful. And even in your career situation, if there are some offers coming to you from people whom you do not know, before making a decision, you have to think it out, think it clearly, find out more about that person. Maybe they may try to involve you in some kind of fraudulent activities, guys, Gemini. And Gemini, maybe in your relationship or in your work situation, guys, you are someone who is a very, what to say, and a person who follows certain ideals, certain rules for yourself. But this person you are in a relationship with, they may be someone, they may have their own ideas, and their thinking and the way of seeing things may be quite different from you, guys, and that may create some kind of a problem, some kind of what to say, a misunderstanding. So things are changing. Though you are in a connection, you may have some level of understanding, but something is missing and things are changing so much. This person is creating that change in you and they themselves are changing. So a lot of changes are what I see for your relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, it may be in your situation, guys, it may be in your, because of these changes, you are simply worried, afraid that things may go wrong. So you are in a lot of fear, guys. Maybe you have a lot of apprehensions, but something is coming, something is going to surprise you, guys. Maybe some sudden changes in your career or sudden changes in this relationship. So things are going to take a U-turn maybe for some of you. So some wonderful changes are here for you, and that is going to change the way things are in this relationship and in your career situation, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first, guys. We have Strength. So maybe things are resolving in this relationship, guys. So whatever apprehensions or fear, worries you had, in this connection, it will be replaced by strength and confidence. You are going to feel energized, courageous, and this person may be the reason for your inspiration or that strength you have, and you feel that you can rely on this person, trust this person. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So let's see for your career situation. It is Temperance. So maybe even in your career situation, guys, your circumstances are changing. Maybe you were in a lot of troubles, a lot of stressful situation was there, but things are resolving, and whatever difficulties you faced is going to change, and you are finding that harmony and balance in your career situation, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seraphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept, and you have been rigid all along. You have been rigid till now, but now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship, and this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change, but when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the Little Match Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our uh, relationship, in our life in general. We are, what to say, in a particular circumstance, we see so much pain, suffering, and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to, what to say, avoid this sadness. But this card calls for action. So, some kind of help, whatever it is, when we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us. They are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our what to say, the right way of doing things. So whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort, and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to, what to say, change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength, and love. If we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.